In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Legalzoom discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Legalzoom discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount with Legalzoom coupon, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion, and this is the coupon code. You can simply tap right here to copy it and use this one on your next purchase to get the 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website which is called couponbirds.com, and right here we also have some promotions. And for example, if you want to get this 10% discount of your next order, simply tap right here on the promotion and the promo code will show up right here. As you can see, you can simply tap right here to copy the promo code and use it on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.